Open your science book. Chapter 2 question answer we were doing. Page number 18.
18. Ma'am, 18.
Yes, 18.
Ma'am, complete.
And did we complete question C?
Yes, ma'am.
We completed.
Yes, ma'am, completed.
Yes, completed. Okay, I am going to mute everyone. Those who are having background noise, Amina Khatun says that either you turn your video on and microphone off. Yes. You stay like that.
Subject?
Science.
Science.
Page number 18.
Page number 18.
Yes. Everyone keep their microphone off. When I ask you, when I call you, you put your microphone on. Because there is background noise. Okay, so we did question A, question B, D also. And we completed, have we completed question C? Yes, last week. We did. Okay, so if everything is completed, then I will upload the full complete exercise on your study material section in your school app, and just check that question and answer of chapter 1 is there in your study material tab, study material section in your school app. We'll start a new chapter today, which is chapter 6.
Ma'am, chapter 6.
Yes, chapter 6. Page number 42.
Page number 42. Ma'am, chapter 6, 42.
Yes, chapter 6, 42.
Ma'am, 42.
Yes. Start a new chapter today. Because we have
Ma'am, page number
42.
Ma'am, the page fast.
42.
Ma'am, page number 42.
Open the book.
Ma'am, page number 42.
Yes, page number 42.
Open.
So I am sharing the screen.
Ma'am, section 6.
This page. Yes, section.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So can you see it?
Yes, ma'am. I can see properly.
Okay, very good. Then there are some safety measures that you have to obey as you are children, and there are some rules that what you can do and cannot do. So I'm stopping the share now. So you have to be alert about some things you touch in your home. So we'll first now learn how you can be safe in home. So there are some things that you should touch or should not touch. Like when you are in home, you have knives, blades, scissors, etc. around you in your house, and these are some sharp objects. You should not be you should not handle that alone. You should be under supervision of an adult. Suppose your parent is there, then you can only take the knife or take the blade or take the scissors. Only when your parent is there, only when your mom or dad is there. So as these objects are sharp, they can cut through your finger. You can hurt yourself. So you have to be careful while handling them. And you should not leave glass items lying around everywhere, because if the glass item fall, the glass breaks and the broken glass can hurt you. So you do that. Next thing you should do is that you never put your finger into the plug points. There is electricity. If you touch the switchboard with wet hands, with water in your hands, if you do that, you might get an electric shock that is very dangerous. Shifa, sit down. And Samayan, Rohin, Deepayon, and Ritu Prabhu, you switch on your camera. So what you do not do, you do not switch on electric appliances, or you do not put your finger into plug points, and stay away from open wires or appliances. When you are around any electrical appliances or switchboard, you just have to have present of an adult, of a parent. You need to be careful about another thing. When your mother or anyone else prepares food, they use fire. So when they light up the gas, the fire is what they are using. You do not go near that. That is very dangerous for you. If you need to use fire, you just ask an adult or a parent.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Who is taking class?
This is Ananya. Ananya, ma'am.
Oh, Ananya, ma'am, you are taking for that. This is which class?
This is science class from
Okay, ma'am.
1:05 to 1:55. Is this your class?
Okay, ma'am. No, you can take. No problem. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
So you should not be around. You should not be around a fire. When the gas is burning, when the gas stove is lighted, you do not go near that, and you always ask a parent or an adult, okay, to do that for you.
Okay.
And next thing is, in Diwali, when you...
So,
are you saying anything? Samayan Das, are you saying anything?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, are you saying anything?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so what I was saying, that in Diwali, you put firecrackers and you burst them and you light them. So you should always do that under the supervision of an adult. Only when your parent or any adult is present, you light the cracker or burn the crackers. And you should always wear your clothes like cotton clothes, not synthetic clothes, because the synthetic clothes are very prone to catching fire. So you should not do that, should not wear synthetic clothes. The next thing is always keep your toys, bags, books, etc. at the right places after using. Because if you do leave them lying around on the floor or anyone, someone might trip, or even you might trip and fall and get hurt. So you don't lie things around your house, and you put that in the right places after you are using them. And then you don't run over the stairs when you just get down from an upper floor to lower floor. You should do that slowly by holding the railings. And you do not run over the stairs or around the house. You do not fly kite or play on a terrace. You might fall down and get badly hurt. You should not do that. While you're walking on wet floor, and while bathing in the bathroom, you do it very slowly and be careful, because you might get sleep and fall. And do not take medicine on your own. If you see a medicine lying around, do not touch it. And if you need a medicine, you always ask a parent that you need that medicine. You do not eat it yourself. Okay. So,
Okay, ma'am.
okay. So, you always ask your parent or ask your an adult who is there, so that you can do all such things. You do not do them by yourself. These things are dangerous. And this is how you get safe in home. And on the next day, we'll learn that how to be safe at playground, and how to be safe on road, and there is how to be safe at school. And lastly, we'll learn that how to give the first aid. See, when you cut yourself, cut a finger, or scratch your knee, what your parents do? They give you the first aid. They just clear the area and put some ointment or lotion in it. So that is first aid, and you will have to learn how that is done. Samayan Das, you want to say anything?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me. Tell me.
Ma'am, homework.
Homework, as you completed the previous chapter, there is no homework. You can do a thing. You can open the page 19, and there is an observation list, page 19.
Ma'am, page 19.
Yes, 19. I'm showing you the page.
Ma'am, read. Ma'am, 19 is a homework.
In 19, there is a thing called at last observation. See there, this part. Put a tick mark for the things that make their own food, and a cross for the things that do not make their own food. Okay, you have to tick and cross in that box. So what you do, you open your homework copy, you write the word a crow and put a tick or a cross after that, okay, according to the word. Everyone
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, ठीक है, write the करबो 19
Observation. You will do the observation thing.
Ma'am.
Yes. Tick
or
cross.
write the करबो 19
Yes, page 19. Tick or cross.
Ma'am, and excuse me. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, tell me.
Ma'am, this is homework or classwork?
This is homework.
Okay.
Page 19. Okay, those who have joined late, I have not marked your present. So just tell me your tell me your name if you have not given your attendance. Okay, because you will be absent then. Who have joined late and did not give present? I am just asking again. Ayan Khan, Debargho Josh, Esha Dash, Jannatun Firdausi Khatun, Mohammad Munir Mir, Meghna Rahman, Prince Khatik, Rahat Malik, Rajveer Adhikari. You joined late and you should be early. Okay, Ridhima Saxena, Rituprabha Basu, Rituprabha Basu, you did not give me attendance.
Present, ma'am.
Yes, because I was already taken the attendance.